What's up with y'all, man? It's your boy Miles checking in again to get on this leg day. One of my best leg days for sure. It don't compare to the first cycle's leg day at all, but I'm still definitely making very good gains. So let's just jump straight into it. I had, as you know, the calf raise supersetted with leg extensions, superset with hamstrings. For the warm up, from there we went straight to leg press, and I actually hit 500 for 10 yesterday, and that 500 wasn't that bad. I'm not gonna go above 500 without knee wraps though, cause I don't want my shit to just fire, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I hit 500. It was very doable. I did it 10 times, so I definitely can tell my legs are getting strong as a motherfucker. Then from there, went to the Smith machine lunges. They never easy. I hate them very much. They just burn very bad. Like I'm drenched the entire time, and it's a lot going on for sure. Especially that movement. You engage in a lot of shit. Then from there we went to them sumo deadlifts, pure complete destruction. Still getting better with them. It's just it's a slow grind really, cause your strength ain't gonna just rapidly jump. So at 225 it's getting easier than it was the first time. Cause first time I damn near thought about to lose my life. But I'm actually just going through it and kind of repping it out now. And then from there we went to the leg extension supersetted with hamstrings, and that's kind of just one of them things you just go through. I was on fire, burning the entire time doing it, but overall it was a good leg day. I even threw in 10 minutes of Stairmaster just because my weight been doing good. I'm actually 202 currently, and my body fat is definitely decreasing, and I'm gaining muscle, so I'm definitely happy. It's really just a grind. Something you just gotta take day by day. You can't expect outrageous results in just a few months. Just a very tedious thing. You gotta constantly work at it. So, stay down, stay locked in. That's all I got. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Got the chest day video. And like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, what y'all think. And check the description for the IG and the producers. Later.
J Smooth.